Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of This video is going to be a review of dividing fractions using keep, change, flip. Our first example is 1/3 divided by 5/7, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So these problems are solved in 3 simple steps. Step 1, keep. You keep the first fraction exactly the same. So the 1/3 we just need to copy over. Step 2, change. You change the sign from division to multiplication. Step 3, you flip. So the denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. Now the final step, I guess technically there's 4 steps, or 5 if you count multiplying the numerator and multiplying the denominators. So we multiply our numerators. 1 times 7 equals 7. And then we multiply our denominators. 3 times 5 equals 15. So we have our final answer. 1/3 divided by 5/7 equals 7/15. Alright, next example. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. Alright, 3/4 divided by 9/10. That's our next example problem. So step 1, we keep 3/4. We keep that exactly the same. Step 2, changing the division sign to a multiplication sign. And step 3, we flip the second fraction. So our denominator becomes our numerator, and our numerator becomes our denominator. Next, we multiply our numerators. 3 times 10 equals 30. Final step, we multiply our denominators. 4 times 9 equals 36. And we have our answer, 3/4 times 10/9. 3/4 divided by 9/10 equals 30/36. Now, this answer can actually be reduced. This answer is not in lowest terms, but I prefer to keep the reducing fractions to lowest terms videos separate from the dividing fractions, adding fractions, subtracting fractions. Reducing the lowest terms, I prefer to make that my own video, so we'll leave that as is for now. If you want me to do a separate video where I reduce this answer to lowest terms, let me know in the comments. Alright, next example. Thinking maybe I'll do 4 examples for this video. Five sixths divided by 1/3. Alright, so we keep our 5/6 the same. We change our sign from division to multiplication. Then the second fraction, we flip it. Five times 3 equals 15. 6 times 1 equals 6. And our answer for 5/6 divided by 1/3 equals 15/6. This is an improper fraction. It can be changed into a mixed number. But again, converting improper fractions to mixed numbers, I think that deserves its own video. Alright, next example. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. Appreciate y'all being here. Need to do a little bit better of a job erasing before my next example. Alright, here we go. 1/5 divided by 9/12. So step 1, the first fraction, we keep that the same. Step 2, we change our division sign to a multiplication sign. Step 3, we flip. Our denominator becomes our numerator, and our numerator becomes our denominator. Next, we multiply our numerators and our denominators. 1 times 12 equals 12. 5 times 9 equals 45. And we have our answer. 1/5 divided by 9/12 equals 12/45. Again, this can be reduced to lowest terms. So that's why it's not our final answer. It can be reduced further, but like I said, the reducing fractions to lowest terms, I am going to make that a separate video. Alright, next example. Again, huge thank you to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button so this video can reach more people. 7/8 divided by 8/9. Step 1, we keep our first fraction the same. Step 2, we change our division sign to a multiplication sign. Step 3, we flip the second fraction. Our denominator is our numerator. Our numerator becomes our denominator. Last, we multiply our numerators and our denominators. So 7 times 9 equals 63. 8 times 8 equals 64. And we have our final answer, 7/8 divided by 8/9 equals 63/64. That particular answer is in lowest terms. Alright, brace yourselves for the final problem of the video. 9/10 divided by 11/12. Step 1, we keep our first fraction exactly the same. 9/10 remains the same. The division sign becomes a multiplication sign. Then the second fraction, we flip it. Our denominator becomes our numerator, and our numerator becomes our denominator. Alright, 9 times 12 equals 108. And 10 times 11 equals 110. So our answer, 9/10 divided by 11/12 equals 108. 110ths. Now this answer is not in lowest terms, but like I said, I will keep the reducing fractions to lowest terms for another video that deserves its own video. Alright, that is my live stream for tonight. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.